Burp-Suite Community Edition has replaced Burp-Suite Free Edition. To install, start by going to the download page. If you're not sure where to download the file, you can Google for Burp-Suite download. Click on the link to the download Burp-Suite Community Edition and then download the program. Save the file and it'll go into your downloads folder. When the download completes, you'll find it in your downloads folder. You can change directory into downloads. And the installation file will be Burp-Suite Community Linux followed by the version.shell. You may need to make this file executable. To do this, type in kmod u plus x and then the name of the file. To be sure it's executable, you can do an ls-l and then the name of the file. You should see the X in every third column. So now you can execute the file by typing in the file name. You'll need to precede it with /. After a few minutes, the wizard will start. You can click Next, and then pick your directory to install in. The opt Burp-Suite community is fine. And then you want to go ahead and create a symlink unless you want a custom installation. So when a wizard is done installing the files, click Finish. Now go into the installation directory. Inside, you'll see a shortcut with a .desktop extension. And go ahead and copy the extension. Notice that the shortcut has a space in the name, so \space will escape the space, and then you can finish typing the name. Note that the spaces are delimited with \space. So copy that to your desktop. So when you get done, you'll have the shortcut on your desktop. Double click it, and the first time that you double click it, it may ask you if you trust the shortcut. And so you'll say trust and launch. The shortcut should turn to the Burp-Suite Community Edition icon, and Burp-Suite will start.